Hope you guys had an alright day in the market. I'm sad. Piano music for this sell-off. Wasn't as bad as we've seen on the SPY. But yeah, down 100 or 1.6. Pretty big red candle an hour. And now that it's below the 180 moving average, I think it's gonna kind of stay in this range like I was saying, but tomorrow probably be a little red also. We'll see. I think it's gonna consolidate here for a bit before it goes back up. Our account, my account, I don't know. This thing's crazy. At one point we were up like 650. But yeah, that's just like the market this morning was, it opened up green. When I saw that, I was like, I don't think it's just gonna keep running. Funny, I actually thought it was probably gonna sell off at some point because everything opened up green. We were up like, I don't know, 0.5%, and then a lot of the pre-COVID stocks were up also, and then slowly all these just kind of lost value. And then premiums on stuff, like it's all getting messed up because you'll buy a call when there's volatility going up, and then it'll just get crushed with big red candles. And I'm going to be selling premium, doing SPY credit spreads until we're out of this consolidation, which I was going to do it anyways, but I opened up tried to open up 5 of these, but it only filled me on one. 345, 346 call. That was earlier when it wasn't so low. It was probably like right around here. And then down here, I opened up another one. I wanted to open up before the market closed because you can't do it same day with Robinhood, and these expire tomorrow. So I opened up a 344, 343. Basically SPY to close below 343 tomorrow for me to get max gain on that. Which when you look at it on here, it's like that doesn't seem that high, but or actually where we closed way down here, that'd be a big run up. It'd be like over 3% in a day, which is less than 1% chance of it doing that. And at any rate, I think that it's probably going to be flat to red tomorrow. Maybe a little green, but I don't think it's going to be up here. So that's that. There's just a few of them. I only have 4 here and 1 here, so that's not much collateral. 16 bucks on that one, or not much credit. 4 bucks on that one, so 20 bucks. I closed out of, let's see, some of the covered calls I had. I bought them back. Tesla, I don't get Tesla because on my E-Trade also, I mean, Tesla, when it was killing it today, this was only up like 120 bucks. So I think premium on Tesla is maybe just like super baked in any way you go. Because on my E-Trade, I have a pretty large position in contracts, in option debit spreads. And I mean, not that large. It's like 700 bucks, a lot bigger than this one. And it hardly went up. So I'm thinking it's either the spread on the actual price, or maybe I got a weird expiration date. And I was noticing that with Zoom. I closed out of my Zoom. I had a Zoom debit spread, and I noticed on my Zoom debit spread, I didn't look at the open interest because I did on E-Trade and I'm not used to looking at it on there. I looked at the open interest and volume and there's like none. So I think if you have a weird expiration date, I'm not sure why some expiration dates there's like no one trading it. Jesus, it's slow. So these all have activity on all of them. I don't know, but on sometimes like you'll this date they'll be like 0, and then this date they'll be way more. I don't quite know that. If you guys know, let me know in the comments. That one's lower. This is a weekly, I guess. This is on a Friday, maybe. That way. These ones with W's are on Fridays. Let's see, yeah, I guess that's it. I don't understand why that would have so much less volume. Anyways, I think some of the ones I got into, I was like, they should have been printing today. I had Wayfair, I don't know if you remember, but I had a Wayfair debit spread, and like it was up like 12% today at some point, and I had to sell it out and I only made like 20 bucks on it. It was ridiculous. Maybe it's because it's a debit spread, it's not just a naked call, and I don't know, something I feel like it was maybe the expiration I had on it was like, I'll show you on Wayfair actually. Yeah, it's like, look at this. There's zero, I mean, there's zero activity on this one. Here, there's more. And then look, there's none on this one. I think I had I had October 9th, I think. Look, but there's none. So I don't understand that. I'm used to looking at the volume and the open interest on here, and it hasn't mattered as much just doing naked calls because it's only one position or one contract. But when you do spreads, you're trying to buy back and sell back when you close it. It's more to it. It's more the market maker has to do, and if there's not enough interest or open volume or open interest, I think maybe it's just more difficult to get in and out of. Then you have the spreads, and it's just you're just gonna be a lot of like slippage. See, look, there's none here. Then there's a bunch here. So I'm not too sure why that is. These are both weeklies. Yeah, see this is on a Friday. Those are both Fridays, aren't they? The 23rd's a Friday, and then yeah, those are both Fridays. For some reason there's no weeklies here. All Fridays? Oh, maybe these are all Fridays. Yeah, these are all Fridays. But some Fridays don't have as much volume, so I don't get that. Anyways, I closed out a lot of different stuff I have. I still have Tesla debit spreads on the E-Trade, and then I've got the ones on here. That's fake. I don't know what that spike is. I only have one on here actually. Somehow I'm down more than it costs. Again, this number on here is kind of just a general number to look at. Irrelevant. We're up a little bit today. Nowhere near where we were, but that's all right. Shares kind of even, but I think we're gonna kind of stay even. This is supposed to be my long term, so I really shouldn't even be worried about this, especially when it's down like this. So I'm gonna get into the Webull, get this on margin, and then we'll be able to make Robinhood just strictly shares, selling premium, maybe some debit spreads or credit spreads. No debit spreads. That'll be for this account. But yeah, for tomorrow, I mean, we'll see. This is a pretty sharp sell-off at the end there today on the SPY. So I mean, there definitely looks like there's some support down here at 330, which we didn't hit today. 333. So it might come down a little bit more and then just kind of stay in this range for a bit. And I will keep selling credit spreads. See what happened with Kodak today. I don't know. Not much. Yeah, not much going on today. I guess that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments how your day was. Comment down, like up, sub up, make your money happy money so it'll stick around. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Later.